Hey Sagittarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Alright, back to the card. So I have flirt, extend your lighthearted energy to others. What did I just tell y'all? What did I just say? Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. I'm telling you, so it's like, I'm tired of being patient. What am I waiting for? I'm trying to move on. Uh-oh. Let's see. Spirit. Well, I was about to say one more card. Here we go. Passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. I don't actually want to clarify that for you guys. Tell me about flirt before we break this down. Let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Okay, worth waiting for. Let your friends help you. Okay, tell me about passion, please. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. And they want you to ask for and accept support from others when it comes to your friends. Okay. Who was this? Was it Aquarius? Or Capricorn? One of them. Kind of like this. But anyway, so look. I'm seeing it two ways. Like, y'all, I feel like it's been happening all day. I'm seeing this two ways. From you, and honestly, for some of you guys, from the person from the past. So, Sagittarius, if you're single, listen. So, I feel like Spirit is saying that they want you, you know, to put yourself out there. They want you to have fun, go with the flow, you know, stop thinking that because you were done wrong, like this is just going to be like a repeated cycle for you, right? They want you to stop trying to control everything. That's why I kept saying, like, go with the flow. Patience is needed here, or they want you to have patience because there could be somebody really good coming in for you. You may meet this person through a friend. Yeah, for some of you guys, there may be like a friend that could be introducing you to someone, or you're going to be out and about with your friends and you could, you know, meet this person. But there's patience, because I feel like with patience, when it comes to my single Sagittarius, men and women, I feel like they're wanting you to heal from what basically took place in the past. Because, yeah, it's like you guys give a lot of passion. You know what I'm saying? It's like when you go in, when it comes to like a love interest, you guys go hard, right? It's like, it's all or nothing for a lot of you guys. But they want you to know that the healing has to take place, because some of you guys are still hurt by someone that you really did love, somebody that you really did care about, but they want you to know that it is safe for you to love. Just because this person, you know, messed up bad, they treated you bad, like there is someone out there that can give you everything that you're looking for. For others of you, this is somebody coming back from the past. They miss having fun with you. They miss flirting with you. They miss your smile, like the whole nine. And this person is very stubborn. So for a lot of you guys, you may not be hearing from this person right now. Like they may be mute, okay? Because they messed up so bad, they're trying to figure out how to go about coming back towards you. And it's like this person is getting advice from their friends, which is why you're not hearing from them, because they're trying to figure out the best approach to come back towards you. And that's why Spirit is saying you have to have patience with this person. And again, I always tell y'all, even I don't care how many times that worth waiting for a card comes out, yes, patience is needed for this person to get themselves together, to get themselves out of a situation, but that does not mean you stop living your life. You go out, you have fun, you heal, move forward. If they come back towards you and that's something that you want to give them another try because you believe them, that's your business. You can do that, but do not stop your life waiting on somebody. Okay? All right, back to the cards. So, yeah, this person definitely thinks about you nonstop. Literally. They think about you all the time, and they want you to know, like, when they come back, it's no more of that in and out energy. It's no more of that them playing games. They want you to know it is safe for you to love them. Okay. So, yeah. That's what I'm seeing so far, Sagittarius. So, let's see how this plays out. Whew. Spirit. general reading for Sagittarius, please. Okay, bottom of the deck, I have the Chariot reverse. So some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. Or this is somebody who basically is not moving forward. So let's see how this plays out. Yep. I feel like somebody is regretting their decisions. Regretting putting you through something here. Maybe somebody's been doing all of the work. Let's see. I more so feel regret. Yeah, because see, somebody's stuck. And they're trying to make a decision. Tell me more, please. But the good thing is, I see someone using their intuition here. But they're sad. Somebody is definitely sad right now. Clarify the Five of Cups. Maybe someone took a financial loss. Yeah. Somebody definitely did take a financial loss by putting themselves in some type of codependent situation. So, Sagittarius, remember what I was telling you guys about, like, the single Sagittarius that you're, you know, wanting. It's like you're wanting love, but you're not wanting to put up with stuff. You could have been dealing with someone that took you for granted. You could have been helping them out financially. I don't know if they stole from you, but it was just codependent. For others of you, this could be someone that wants to be with you, but they've been stuck in a situation that was very codependent because this person could have been giving to someone financially, or now at this point maybe somebody's trying to take from them financially. But whatever it is, it's not good, and that's why Spirit is saying you have to have patience. Patience is needed with this individual. Yeah, because see, this is why this person isn't taking the leap right now. You know? They got to get themselves out of whatever this is, because I do feel like somebody could be coming for them financially. So, let's see. Messing up the cards. Yeah, see, this is why this person is basically coming in slow, guys. They're moving slow. They're trying to get out of, oh, Lord. This person's trying to get out of something. Let's see. Yep, in order to give you an offer. There's the Ace of Cups. Tell me more. But they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning because of everything that they put you through. So it's like they're using their intuition and they're coming out of being frustrated, but they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have the Ten of Cups with you. They're afraid that they ruined it for good. You don't want to have a family with them. You don't want stability with them. Like, this person, maybe this person is in some type of like family situation, or there's like another family that they're in, you know, something like that, where they know that they want to be with you, and they're having to like break up some type of like family dynamic here. But if they are leaving someone could be coming after them, you know, for money, you know, whether it's like child support, spousal support, you know, maybe they live together. It could be anything. Let's see. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but this person feels like, yeah, there's no stability with them right now. Tell me more. Okay. Yeah. And it's like they're isolating themselves, but the way the Knight of Wands came out, it's like they want to rush in to tell you something, but they're not. They're holding back. Every time they want to talk to you, it's like they just don't. See? I'm telling you, this person wants to give you guys an offer. I'm telling you, but I really feel like whoever this is resonating for, somebody has to give money to someone. And I feel like that's why they're not talking. Could be dealing with a Leo, but I do feel like somebody's trying to have the strength to give you this offer because they want to speak their truth. But I'm telling you, somebody's getting out of some type of situation where there's like contract, whether it's a home, business, child support, like marriage, you know. I'm telling you, there's somebody's trying to get out of something, but I do feel like somebody's going to have to cough up some money. And this is why they're trying to figure out the best approach, how to basically talk to you, how to get out of this. They are going to get out of it, but they're like, should I say something to Sagittarius now, or should I just wait? So let's see. Yeah, see? This person could be younger than you, but if not, I do feel like there is an offer coming in. I'm telling you, there's an offer. You could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Tell me about the King of Swords. I feel like this person knows what they want. Yeah, they don't want to argue with you. They're cutting off conflict. They're cutting off interference from other people. They're doing a lot of action. I feel like this person is starting to do action on their end. Yeah, see? Why is the Three of Cups here? Hold on. I want to see how that plays out. Clarify the Three of Cups for Sagittarius. So, they are going... Honestly, this person wants to ask you out, okay? And I feel like... That's why I feel communication coming in. Because they want to speak their truth to you. About how they're feeling. They want to tell you what's been going on with this third-party situation. Yeah, but they're afraid that you don't want to put any time, effort, or energy into them. This could also be them wanting to ask you out to let you know that this person that they were dealing with, or whatever the case is for your situation, that they're no longer putting any energy into that situation anymore. They're done. They want to be with you. They want to make things right. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Somebody also could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, but I'm telling you, the truth is going to come out. Somebody wants to speak their truth. They know that they repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back, and they're hoping that you can forgive them. They're hoping that, you can heal from that, because they really do want to have a victory with you. See? This person is manifesting to have you back in their life. They're trying to stay positive. And see, I'm telling you, this person is going to be single. Whoever this is, if they were in a relationship, if they felt stuck in a situation, family, friends, career, like somebody's freeing themselves from something. They are. And it's like it's bringing them a peace of mind. But see, now they're afraid that if they come back and give you this offer, you're turning it down. You're going to reject them. That's how they're feeling, because they hurt you one too many times. See? That's 2-4. This was a home situation, family situation. I think you're like the third sign I've seen this for. 2 4s back to back. So yeah, it's like they're having to get out of some type of family situation, home situation, it's something like that. But I do feel like, yeah, see, they want to balance things out. They know that they have to remove themselves from something in order to make things right, because you are the person that they want to be with. This person isn't confused. This person is actually really smart. Now, they could have been playing dumb and doing some dumb stuff, but they're really smart, okay? They're smart. There's the Empress. I'm telling you, this person does want to have a new beginning with you. But see, they can't stop thinking about what they did in the past. Look, they broke your heart. See what I'm saying? Because there was a third party. There was some type of third party interference here. Yeah, and that's why they ghosted you. This is why they left you out in the cold. But they don't want to look back at the past anymore. And they're trying their best to not be frustrated, but see, they can't help it. Because the seeds that they planted with you, they're afraid that it's just not going to grow. Because they didn't do right by you. They didn't balance things out. But see, this is why they're planning. I feel like they're secretly planning their return. They do want to have a new opportunity with you, Sagittarius. But they're afraid you're going to cut them off again for good. They're afraid you're done. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Yep, see? And because they feel like you're going to cut them off for good, this is why this person is taking their time. This is why they're dragging their feet. I'm telling you, they're not confused. They know they want to be with you. But there's a situation they got to get themselves out of. Some of you guys could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. See? Look at that. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I think some of y'all already know why I'm laughing. I'm going to tell you in a second. Again, somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But I'm going to be honest. Y'all, this is screaming twin flame, okay? But you see, they're not on the same page. There was somebody over here, okay? Somebody was interfering with another woman. Could have been an air sign. She could have had air in her chart. Hell, she could have been a fire sign. I don't know. But I'm telling you, there was somebody interfering. This person that messed up, they know that they have to end things with that individual in order to make things right with you. But you guys are not on the same page, because it's like, when things are good between the two of you, they're amazing. But when it's bad, all hell breaks loose, okay? So, it's like, this person is, I feel like they're upset, they're depressed, they're sad, the whole nine. It's like, it's like deep down you're hurting, because it's like, you know, this is your person, you want to be with this person, you know that you guys are destined to be, but at the same time you're not waiting. You're like, I've done this how long now, I gotta go. So, and they know that, they know you are like the biggest blessing that they could have ever had in their life. They know this, but see, this individual is still moving slow.